Today we are at the paint facility of MB Motors, the distributor of Mercedes-Benz in Poznan, Poland, to record the volumetric sound of the Mercedes GLS using the ZYLIA 6DoF system. Our goal is to recreate the exhilarating experience of a driver or customer getting into the car, starting the engine, and walking around the vehicle to hear how it sounds from different angles. The ZYLIA 6DoF technology captures this incredible 3D sound experience and translates it into virtual reality. By using VR goggles, anyone will be able to move freely around this 3D scene and experience the sound from various perspectives. Our setup consists of 7 ZYLIA ZM-1S third-order Ambisonics microphones. 6 are placed evenly around the car, while 1 is positioned inside the vehicle. We've connected the microphones to the recording laptop using USB cables and employed mini jack cables with tentacle sync to send audio timecode synchronization impulses to the arrays. One final check of the connections, and we're ready to go. Discover the future of immersive audio with ZYLIA and Mercedes-Benz, where reality meets virtual innovation.